In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rulers and guides on Wix. Whether you're building a website from scratch or refining existing pages, using rulers and guides can enhance your precision and ensure a balanced layout. Let's dive into the process of setting these up. First, we need to access the Wix website editor. Open your browser, navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, select the site you want to edit and click on Edit Site to enter the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see your web page on the right and a variety of editing options on the left. Next, let's look at bringing up the Tools panel, which will give us access to all sorts of design aids. On the top menu bar, there's a tab labeled Tools. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu will become your best friend as you work through adjusting and perfecting your web page layout. Once you're in the Tools section, click on Grid Lines. Engaging grid lines is crucial for organizing your site's content effectively. They appear as lines across your page, showing you where the center is, helping with alignment, and maintaining design consistency. Grid lines won't be visible on the live site, so don't worry. They're just there to help you during the editing process. Now, it's time to talk about rulers, an equally powerful tool in your design arsenal. Still in the Tools drop-down menu, you'll see the option for Rulers. Click on it, and rulers will appear along the top and left side of your editor workspace. These help in measuring and ensuring that elements are evenly spaced and aligned. By simply dragging from the rulers, you can create new guides, lines that help in aligning objects precisely on your page. You may need to adjust these guides, and Wix makes that simple. Look for the small arrow next to the rulers. By clicking on this arrow, you can customize the units of measurement on your rulers to fit your preference, whether centimeters, pixels, or inches, whatever works best for you and your design specificity needs. Finally, there is the option to highlight. This is an essential feature when you want to focus on or easily locate a specific element on your page. To enable this, click on the Highlight button found in the same Tools section. Highlighting makes designing and editing quicker, as it will emphasize all your guides and boundaries without cluttering your workspace visually. Now you're all set to create a professional-looking website with perfectly aligned elements using Wix's rulers and guides. Taking advantage of these tools will elevate your site design to the next level. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting your web pages with precision.